Hello, welcome to our channel Us.
In our today's lesson, we will learn how to make a text, moving text and or crawling text like news. Our text is moving, it is moving correctly, it is going fast. I will tell you how it can be slow or fast. Let's start our today's lesson. You can go to text, add a text, a default text, okay? Write anything you want. Now drag it a little bit bigger. Now go at the first, then go a little bit down, and there will be option position and size. Add here a keyframe at the starting where the text has to be start. Add a keyframe, then go at the end. Add a keyframe, then go at the last. Now we will drag it back. It is working correctly. So let's start our video. See, text is moving. Till now we talked about how the text is going left to right. Now we will talk about how the text can go right to left. Okay, go at the end, add a keyframe here, same steps like but little bit change. Go at the end of the video, add a keyframe here and go at the end. It will be correct now. Okay, now start over. See, now it is going opposite side. We learned it can be both sides. It can be right to left or left to right. We can use same option, but we have to arrange it properly. So if you want slow speed, you can drag it bigger. Now you will see the speed is little bit slow. Now you will see, drag it at the end. Now see, the speed will be slow. If you want fast speed, so go here and add a keyframe again. Then at the end, go at the end, same steps you have to do. Here it will be end. So go back. Now see, the speed is little bit fast. If you have any question about this drawing text or moving text, you can ask me below in the comments. Please like our channel, subscribe, share for more similar videos. Thank you.